What happens at the airport when a Southwest Airlines passenger has a massive airport problem with the airline? On April 4th, 2023, the Atlanta Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
What's going on? Okay.
EMTs have tried to leave tours. She's non-compliant with them.
Okay.
She's been boarding for months.
Did you guys rebook her?
We have.
Okay, when did you rebook her?
So 24 hours. She won't be able to travel with us for 24 hours.
Okay, we'll just take her out.
She can't get to the flight.
Hey guys, I'm here.
Alright, so I guess you...
I already know. Every day. Same old thing.
Yep.
Karen, please go home.
Yeah, but you're not going to go home until tomorrow. They've had to rebook you. It's not happening today.
I have to go home.
It's not happening today. Do you know anybody here in Atlanta that you could possibly stay with? Okay. Well, next time you got to wait to drink until you get to your destination.
She's going to get a room or something.
She can sit still.
Yeah.
Be cool. That's probably the only thing she can do. But other than that, she start getting unruly.
No, well, she's already booked for tomorrow, so I'm taking her out.
I'm booked.
They have you rebooked for tomorrow.
Mom.
Yeah. You gotta talk to the office.
Mom.
You gotta talk to the office.
Mom.
Jesse,
Mom.
listen to me.
Mom.
No, it's me.
No, I know. Hold on. No, we're not.
Listen to me.
No, we're not taking me anywhere.
Well, you're going somewhere. But
No.
where you choose to go, that's up to you. Hi, ma'am. This is Officer Kendall. I've been called out because she's intoxicated. Of course, with Southwest policy and guidelines, they're not going to let her fly for another 24 hours. So,
Yes, I understand.
so I have to take her out of a secure area.
No, you're done.
So I would just explain to your daughter that she needs to go ahead and comply, or she will go to jail for public
Relax.
drunkenness.
Okay.
Okay.
Go to jail.
All we're trying to do is just take her out of a secure area. She's at this point, she's not detained, but I have to remove her from the gate.
Might want to
So
relax.
she's not booked until
I told
tomorrow.
you that earlier.
So if you could explain that to her for me, I'd appreciate it. Here you
Yes,
go.
I will try.
Okay, why'd you hang up on your mother? All right. So
I'm
what we're
going.
gonna do?
I'm going.
Okay, come on. I'm gonna
going.
take you out of a secure area. You might want to talk to your mom.
I'm
Talk to your
going.
mother. Don't hang up on your mom.
I'm not. I'm hanging out with somebody.
Okay, and just bring it down.
Can I go to the bathroom?
If you need to use the restroom,
Yes,
yes.
I do.
Okay, come on. Let's go to the restroom. Get your bag, okay? Let's go. Yeah, because this is going to be a problem. I'm not even going to leave that out there. Come on, let's go. You said you need to use the bathroom. Let's go. Come on. Right now, you're just going to use the restroom, and then we can talk to your mom
Oh, it's gonna be a
and see if she can
problem.
book you
It's gonna be a problem.
a hotel.
It's not going to be a problem. Just go with me.
Apparently it is. Apparently it is.
Where's the restroom at? Ma'am, it's going to be right here. This way. Okay, this is it. I'm telling you one time. I'm out here to take you out of a secure area. If you continue to act this way, you're going to be arrested. Now let's go. We're just going to go out of a secure area. You can call your mom and see if she might be able to book you a hotel. Okay, let's go. Come on. Did she have anything else with her other than her pocketbook? Okay, all right. And she's rebooked. Listen, you're rebooked for tomorrow. For tomorrow. What time?
2:30.
2 o'clock, okay? Come on. What is her name? Come on, Kate. Come on.
My name is Jessica.
No, what happened was, unfortunately, they have a
My name is
policy.
Jessica.
Come
My
on.
name is not Kate.
Okay, what is your name?
Jessica.
Okay, Jessica, come on. Let's go.
No, I'm good.
Come on. Come on, Jessica. Let's go. Listen, Jessica, you're going to work yourself up into something, and you don't want to go to jail in another state. Let's go. Come on. I've got to take you out of the secure area. Let's go. Come on. Breathe and walk. Come on. Let's breathe. Come on. Man, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Put your foot down in front of the other. You're okay. Come on. Okay. You know what? That's fine. 'Cause we're not going to do this today.
You're putting egos on it.
I am.
Okay.
What is okay? Are you going to comply or not? Are you complying? Yes? Yes or no? Now let's walk to the car so I can drop you off. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Down the steps. Let's go.
Go for it. Go for it.
I don't have time to walk today.
Mom. I'm ready. Here goes Mommy.
Let's go.
What? What?
Let's go.
I know, we're going.
Let's go.
No, just go, we're going. Where? Mom.
Put your hands behind your back.
No. I didn't do anything. No.
You are. You're publicly drunk and you won't listen.
No. Mom. Help me. Ow. 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 Ow.
Rita Radio, if you could start another unit. I have a female. She's going to be in custody.
Oh, I'm going to use that to know, Mom.
I'm on a 28 at Charlie 10.
Help. Please help me.
Let's go.
No. No.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
No.
Go down the
No.
steps. Let's go.
No. 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 No.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
No.
Charlie
No.
10, I'm on the ramp.
No.
Go. Get up.
No.
Get up.
No.
Get up.
No. 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 Where are you taking me? Oh. Oh. No. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? Throwing me? No. You don't get to
Let's
throw
go.
me. No.
Get in the vehicle.
No.
Yes.
No. Ow. What are you doing?
Get in the vehicle.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Help! Help! No! 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 Oh, you're taking me.
Rita Radio, you can slow down the other units.
Any other emails given to us? Three locations just so now she has female in custody in the
Another driver. No! I want another driver!
Okay, Miss Jessica, we're gonna get you out of here. Okay? All right, Jessica, step out for us. Step out there. You can step out.
Are you being mean?
Hmm?
Are you being nice to me?
Yes, I'm gonna be nice to you. Come on, you good.
I want the other.
Yeah, you're fine.
No, 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 no.
You're fine.
No.
You're fine. What's wrong? We gotta get you out.
No,
Jessica, you gotta come out.
no, no. Not while she's there.
No, she's not gonna do anything to you. She's just with me. So I got you. Good. Come on. Okay. Just cooperate with her. That's all. Just walk this way. Thank you, Jessica. You get inside, they're gonna get some phone number out the phone for you. You can call.
Are you helping me?
Yes. When you get
Are you
home,
actually?
yeah. When you get in here, they're gonna turn your phone off. They're gonna get you some number out the phone. We will over here. Come over here. You're in the county jail, okay?
No.
Okay, you fine. Right there. Sit right there. Just follow instructions, okay? The nurse gonna come out here. She's gonna ask you a series of questions, okay? Just follow the instructions. You'll be perfectly fine. You follow the instructions. You'll be perfectly fine.
No, can I have my phone?
You get your phone inside there.
They'll let you get numbers so that you can make a phone call. Your mother
No,
wants
I
to
don't
get-
want. I'm filling my call. I want to be relieved.
Well, you will be.
You're gonna make your process so long. I'm gonna sit you in that side over there. You're gonna be able to do it. Put the shirt on.
Jessica, go ahead, put the shirt on. Come on, put it on. Put it on.
No, I can't. No, I can't.
Put your arms around.
No, I can't. No, I can't. Oh my God.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.